Good morning. The Armour Detail Supply Pro Quartz V2 Ford Edge is back. And she is nasty. I don't think the customer has done many washes on it. You can see all of those runs from the water marks, water stains coming down from dirty water, dirty rain, pollutants in the atmosphere. She's pretty nasty. So we're gonna do a wash on this. I'll show some water behavior at the end, and then we'll make sure she's deep cleaned and then boost it with Armour Detail Supply ceramic spray sealant. But this Ford Edge has 13,020 miles on it now, so 5,195 miles have passed since we have applied it, and it's been 7 months since we have applied it, so stay tuned. Into the contact wash of Armour Detail Supply Decon soap after a foam pre-treat, thorough rinse, foam again, and then contact wash. Looked like the panels were coming back. I could see it stripping the traffic film. And went around and did a good contact wash, and then we'll come back and look at the water behavior. I'll show the hood here in a second, but you'll look at the top of the doors. It's perfection. It's just down in those lower sections, side panels, trunk, areas on the front of the hood that get clogged up pretty easy from all of the salts, minerals, water, lime scale. See, that's how it should be performing right there, but it's clogged. Leva Cosmetica's Purifica Acidic Decontamination Shampoo, 1 ounce in a half-filled foam cannon. We're going to use this to try to strip that line scale. All right, so 1 mitt. There's no grit on here. But look at that. As soon as I start working it, you can see the separation. I am 99.9% sure when I go to rinse this, you're going to see full water beading characteristics again. So let me go down here, see if you can see it here. My big booty out of the way. So slippery. Yeah, look at that. Definitely not perfect. I'd like to see better, but it's definitely improved. Here we go. What do you guys think? Drastically improved. Nothing close to day one though, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so it still is there. I just wish it was performing like that everywhere, but those are the harder hit areas from debris coming off the roads, wearing at that coating, minerals getting hung up, salt in the winter. All right, so in closing, I'm waiting for the tires to dry. They're not dressed yet, but the outside is washed, decontaminated, topped with Armour Detail Supply ceramic spray sealant. This one right here, I believe that's the new version or newer version because it has that foil type label on it. So after 7 months, how would I grade this? I guess B+. I'm not seeing amazing water behavior on the sides, on the hood, even after an acidic water spot type treatment, but very easy to wash still. The gloss was there even before I put the spray sealant on. So it's holding up very well, as it should for a 5-year rated coating at 7 months. I think this customer, work with him, a friend of mine, he will bring it back every year about this time, so we'll do updates in the future. But I'm always analyzing what products to supply and give my customers the best results. So the Armour Detail Supply Pro Quartz V2, which is available to everyone, but it's about $150 for a 30 ml bottle. I think around $210 for the 50 ml. It's not cheap, but it's performing great. Was very easy to apply. If you go back and watch my original video, I will post the links in the description to the original video of me applying the coating and how it looked out in the driveway. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this coating, what you've been seeing with it, and if the behaviors that you saw on the sides and hood there are typical. Like I said, up here in north central Ohio, we're getting the salty roads, the brine. I think this vehicle sits outside all the time, so I don't think it's garage kept. That helps coatings last immensely if they're parked in the garage when they're not out at work or whatever. But thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.